Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Dan from Crypto, and thank you once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on the channel, guys. Today is once again a very special video because today I will be making a quick update on the price action of Bitcoin, because we are currently seeing an insane symmetrical triangle playing out. What can possibly push the price towards 72k here? And of course, a lot of people are having fun in the market. People are getting freaked out. People are saying, Rover, is this the end of the bull run? But no, right away we'll be going into this. But guys, this is a quick update I'm going to make here. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos. But this is a quick update, so let me go right away into the price chart. So guys, what we can currently see here is that Bitcoin compared to US dollar, we are forming a symmetrical triangle. So you can see 3 touch points on the lower side, very valid touch points, and of course also the 2 touch points on the top side. I do recommend to remain calm here, because guys, we can just still get a correction from this point. So for the people that are right away opening their long position, please be careful, guys, because yes, I will be trading this pattern as well, because yes, I do think this will be having massive follow through, of course, guys, massive follow through. Otherwise I won't make these videos. So this is a symmetrical triangle, what can be possibly pushing up the price if you measure the price target towards the 72k, guys, maybe already 73k. So this is definitely the targets that I should be looking for in May, because yes, guys, I also anticipate that we are going to see a new all-time high getting created in May, and that is also the reason why right away we'll be saying this to you guys. Yes, I do think that we're going to see a breakout to the upside, but please don't front run the market. Please only trade this one seeing a breakout. But if I currently zoom in here, and this is also, guys, the reason why I'm making this video, we are almost walking into the resistance. So let's see where the 4-hourly candle will be closing, because yes, we still have another approximately 4 hours before this new 4-hourly candle will be closing, because yes, this one just 3 minutes ago opened. So it will be very important that you will be opening your trade on the retest, because yeah, otherwise your risk is just way too high. And for me, I don't like to take a lot of risk here. I just like to take it slow here. So please wait for a breakout. And if you're maybe wondering, let me go right away back into the chart. And you're maybe wondering, what is the breakout target that we should be looking for? It is, of course, on the Bybit chart, because I will be taking this trade on Bybit. It will be 58.3k approximately, so 58.4k. If we're going to see the 4-hourly candle close above it, and of course having a retest on that level, I should be definitely looking to open a long position. So guys, please make sure to watch out for the charts. And if you haven't already, sign up with the Bybit link in the description. Definitely make sure to do so, because you are getting a $1,080 deposit bonus, biggest deposit bonus ever in the history of crypto trading. So make sure to use the Bybit referral link in the description. Will be amazing if you're doing so. But guys, also let me go into the MACD here. I mean, I want to be making a quick update, but there are so many things to discuss here. We're already 2 minutes and 40 seconds into this video. So besides that, we are looking extremely good here, guys. We also are having a bullish crossover on the 4-hourly MACD. Looks to be that the trend is reversing. Of course, I will be not confirming it yet here, because yes, we're still on the lower high and the lower low structure on the MACD here. But for me to flip extremely bullish, I do want to be seeing this previous high getting taken out here. And I do expect that we're probably going to see it, because yes, a bullish crossover on the MACD on 4 hours is already the first sign. Besides that, the daily is also looking like we are clearly in an uptrend, and that we of course also still bullish over there. And the 1 hour is looking very healthy. And we could have seen this coming already, like we were telling you guys earlier as well in the stream here, because yes, we are seeing an insane follow through getting trades for the past hours. And yes, we are currently almost getting in overextended territory on the 1 hour. So that is the reason why I'm also saying, yes, guys, there's still a possibility that we're going to consolidate a little bit below it, but don't overrush the market. Only trade this on the breakout. But you can see on the 1 hour, we're definitely in an uptrend. And of course, we're getting pretty overextended, but we're definitely in an uptrend, and you want to be trading the trend. So in general, guys, I do feel very excited about Bitcoin. For me, there's no reason to really panic about it. And of course, I should only take this long trade on the retest, like I told you before. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, make sure to let me know in the description. And besides that, guys, if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, make sure to do it right now. It is @CryptoOverYT, because yes, guys, I will be here for another month in Dubai, and I just can't wait to spend more and more things with you guys together as well. Because tomorrow will be a massive day for me, and if you want to be knowing why tomorrow is a massive day for me, you definitely want to be following me on Instagram, because yes, I truly look forward to towards tomorrow. But guys, I will be not going into all these personal stuff here. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I can check you back tomorrow in a new stream here, and goodbye.